بارك عليكم شهر رمضان الفضيل.
החל מהבוקר נמנע כל כניסה של סחורות ואספקה לעזה.
הרמדאן זה הזמן הכי טוב להרוג אותם, כי הם חלשים ועייפים. כשהם צמים, כשהם עייפים, כשהם תשושים, לפרק להם את העצמות.
Israeli authorities are once again blocking aid. This move will have devastating consequences for the 1.1 million children in Gaza. People in Gaza are already facing absolutely devastating conditions. Hospitals are not able to function. Hundreds of thousands of people have no shelter, and what this means is that children who have lost their limbs over the last 16 months won't be able to get that treatment. Families won't be able to find shelter to withstand the cold. Breastfeeding mothers won't be able to get the nutrients they need. Humanitarian aid cannot be used as a bargaining chip or a tool of warfare. International law is very clear about that.